How to download OBS on PC or your Windows. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you quick and easy on how you can download OBS Studio on your PC or Windows. Well, getting straight onto the video, you can open up any browser. Here I'm opening up Chrome browser, but you can open up any browser that you use. Then you can head into www.obsproject.com. So here you can also search in for OBS Studio directly on the search bar and head into obsproject.com through the link. Once you're here, you'll get the option to download for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux as well. As you can see on screen. Simply click on Windows here, and now you can see the download has started right away. Once it has been downloaded here, you'll have to wait for it to download. Simply drag the download. Once it's been downloaded on this file here, you can either open up the File Explorer and open up the file there, or you can directly double click on it and here the installation page will pop up. So as you can see here, it's asking me, do you want to allow to make the changes to your device? You can see it's OBS Studio installer. You want to proceed and click on yes and proceed the download installation location and proceed to install it. So this is how you can download OBS Studio on your Windows or PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.